I will now invite, there are only 2 people that will talk, and after them, the curtain is going to be drawn. So I'm going to invite our Eesa of Ikirun land, Chief Kareem Lawal, Adetoyese, the Eesa of Ikirun land, please. Most of you will have seen Baba Eesa on international conference where he spoke. So he's also here to speak with us. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I want to take permission to permit me to stand on the existing established protocol. But before then, as a respecter of tradition and culture, mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí kí bàbá wa ọba Káyìndé di Olú of Ìlàró torí mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ ojú mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ fún wa as a respecter of tradition and culture. Now, we thank God and I appreciate him greatly for witnessing this year Jalsa again. I pray for all Ahmadis to witness more Jalsa in years, many more years to come.
Amen.
I don't want to take much of your time, but yet, I want to speak on 2 things. Number 1, profess publicity. I want to do the publicity of Minaret University in Ikirun, where I come from. And secondly, I want to boldly tell you that I am your number 1 landlord. Now the university has been firmly established. The year 1 intake of students is currently going on at the Minaret University. If you have not known, please, we want all your children from various areas, from international, wherever you come from, we want your students at Ikirun Minaret International, Minaret University. Please, patronize Islam is a religion of peace, and that is why the Ahmadiyya Jamaat, they take whether their motto is hatred for none, love for all. So please, whatever Rasulullah has taught each and every one of us, and what we have been hearing year out, let us put into practice. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
The Eesa of Ikirun land.